In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT too slow. Let's get started. If you notice that your ChatGPT performance is lagging or moving slowly, the first step is to clear your browser data. I start by clicking on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of my Google Chrome browser window to open the main menu. From the drop-down options, I navigate down and select the line that reads Delete Browsing Data. This action immediately triggers a settings pop-up box titled Delete Browsing Data right over my current page. After reviewing these items, I move my cursor to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the blue Delete Data button. The pop-up disappears, leaving me on the main privacy and security settings page. Next, I want to manage the data for ChatGPT specifically. I move my mouse to the left side of the address bar at the top of the screen and click on the small settings icon next to the URL. This opens a small drop-down menu where I select Cookies and Site Data. Here, I click on the option labeled Manage on Device Site Data. I click on the trash can icon located directly next to the site name. Once the icon is clicked, I confirm the action by clicking the blue Done button at the bottom right of the prompt box. If refreshing the page doesn't solve the speed issue, the next troubleshooting step is to try using an incognito window. I move my cursor back to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots icon again to open the browser menu. This time, I selected the third option down, which is New Incognito Window. A brand new, dark-themed browser window opens up. I click into the search and address bar at the top, type in ChatGPT, and press Enter to launch a Google search. Once the search results load, I click on the top sponsored link for ChatGPT to open the official website. This brings me to a landing page for ChatGPT images. I click the Login button in the upper right corner. A login prompt appears in the center of the screen, and I click into the email address field at the bottom. On the following screen, I click into the password field and type in my account password. To return to the standard text interface, I go to the upper left panel and click on New Chat. If ChatGPT is still responding slowly even in incognito mode, it is important to verify your internet connection. I move my cursor down to the bottom right corner of my desktop taskbar and click on the Wi-Fi network icon. This opens the Network Connections panel on the right side of the screen. I see that I am currently connected to my main network. If none of these local fixes work, the issue might be on OpenAI's side. To check for a system-wide outage or server issue, I open a new tab in my browser. I click into the search bar, type in OpenAI status, and select the matching search result. When the Google search results appear, I click on the top link labeled OpenAI status. This opens the official status tracking page for OpenAI. I scroll down past the current active incident warnings to look at the system status section. Here, I can review the uptime bars for various components, including the APIs and ChatGPT. I can see a breakdown of specific services like conversations, login, and search, allowing me to verify if any red or orange indicators are present, which would confirm that a platform-wide issue is causing the slow performance. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.